Hello. Um, Welcome to our math lesson this week. This week we're going to talk about making the same number from different number sentences. I know that we practiced number sentences a little bit last week with our domino math. Remember we would add both sides of the domino, right? So if there was 2 dots on this side and 3 dots on this side, we would write 2 plus 3 equals 5. Do you remember that? We talked about that briefly, and we also have been talking about the different ways to represent a number. So we learned about our tally marks, our 10 frame, our dominoes, our dice, and all those different things. So today we're going to talk a little bit about how to make the same number from different number sentences, okay? So here I have myself some cubes, right? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 cubes, okay? So today we're going to break it, right? So the first thing I can do is, what if I took this one, or that one's hard to get off. What if I took this one off? So I took one off and I have the rest over here. Does this still equal 10? Right? Does this still equal 10? If I have my 1 over here, and then I would say 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It still equals it. So I'm going to say I have 1 cube over here. Here's my 1 cube that I broke off, remember? And then I'm going to write plus, and then I'm going to draw my other cubes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's how many cubes I have over here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'll write my number 9 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It equals 10. Okay. So we figured that out. I'll put it back together and we'll try a new one. Okay, what if I take 2 off? Is it still the same? Let's see. I'll draw my 2 squares over here and write my number 2, and then plus, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 2 over here and 8 over here. So I'll write my 8. What do you think that equals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It equals the same amount. Okay, well, that's 2 different number sentences. I'm going to erase it because it'll go too far down. You won't be able to see. Okay, so we already had 2 number sentences. Okay, what about if I take off 3? Would that be the same? What do you think this equation would be? What do you think this number sentence would be? How many do we have over here? 1, 2, 3. So since I already did some of the blocks on here, I'm just going to keep writing our number sentences, right? So our first one was 1 plus 9 equals 10, right? Our second one was 2 plus 8 equals 10. Right? What would this one be? How many blocks are here? 1, 2, 3. So we have our 3. And what do you think would be over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 7 equals, let's put them back together and see if it still equals 10, even though it's different numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Still equals 10. Okay, what about this one? How many cubes are in this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. So 4 plus what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 equals 10. Right? It equals 10 because we're working with 10. Let's put them back together and make sure just in case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Equals 10. Now our last one that we're going to do, I broke it right in half. Did you see that? I went just right in half. How many are over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So we have our 5. And then how many is over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. And what do you think this is going to equal? I'm going to bet it equals 10, just like the rest of them. Okay, so I'm going to put them back together, and I'm going to see if it equals 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It still equals 10, right? So here's all our different number sentences. So now we're going to play a little game. And this is a game that you could even play at home with your parents or with your siblings, or even by yourself, you could play it. So this game is called the missing number game, okay? So I'm going to write something on the board. I'm going to write 2 plus blank equals 10. So it's called the missing number game because we have a number missing, don't we? Yep. So I'm going to take my cubes. This is how I'm going to find out. And I'm going to take 2 away. Oh, that was 3. I'm going to take 2 away. I have my 2 and I took them away. So now I have my 8 or my cubes left over, right? So all together, these were 10 cubes, right? Because it equals 10. So we have 10 cubes in all, and I took 2 away. What do you think is our missing number? How can we figure it out? We can figure it out by counting, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So 8 is our missing number. 2 plus 8 equals 10, right? So I can add these back together, and we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's try it one more time. Our missing number game one more time. And I'm going to say 5 plus something equals 10. So we have our missing number again, don't we? Right? 5 plus something equals 10. So we have our 10 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have our 10 cubes, and I'm going to take, I'm going to take 5 away. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 left. So I'm going to put a 5 in our missing number spot. And if we add them all back together, I think that we'll have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So we did our missing number game, and the cool thing about this is this game will work for any number sentence that we practiced before, right? Remember, we took away a 1, we took away 1 and made 1 plus 9, we took away 2 and made 2 plus 8, we took away 3 and made 3 plus 7, we took away 4 and made 4 plus 6, and we took away 5 and made 5 plus 5. And if you kept going, it would still work, right? You could take away 6 and it would leave 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. You could take away 7 and make 7 plus 3 equals 10. You could take away 8 and make 8 plus 2 equals 10, or you could take away 9 and make 9 plus 1, right? So those are all the different number sentences and all the different equations that we can get out of this one number, right? So one way that you could practice this at home is you could find something that you could count, right? You could count your snack. If you had goldfish for a snack, you could count your snack out, or you could count blocks, or you could count Legos, or you could go outside and you could count flowers, right? There's all sorts of things that you could count. You could count books, or you could count your crayons. And I challenge you to find different ways, different number equations like this, out of those things, and separate them like we did, right? Separate them and count them. Okay? I know y'all are doing a great job, and I'm so proud of all the work you are doing. I'll see you later. Bye.